It's like sweet. It's sweeter than
Alright,
Valentina
I go
sauce.
first?
Tapatio is
Yay!
delicious.
I got one. I can go. I'm gonna go to blue. Wait, what's blue?
Blue is me, and I get to read.
No. What color is it? Like, is it
It's
history.
history? Oh fuck! I'm going to this one. Whatever orange is.
Wait,
Orange
isn't
will
there a
work.
timer thing?
No.
There's no such thing as a timer.
We don't give a damn about the timer.
Yeah,
Timer sucks ass.
Okay. The outer layer of the skin is called the epidermis. The thick inner layer of the skin is the blank.
Inner layer
This is
tissue.
why this...
Is it tissue?
No.
What is it?
It rhymes with epidermis. There's your hint.
Epidermis.
Wow. I wouldn't be able to get it though.
Epidermis. Flusmermis.
Okay, you're done. It's dermis.
Dermis. What the fuck?
Okay, I get to go.
That's stupid.
Okay, so 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so
Go with science.
Science or
No. This is health.
Health
or
or-
geography.
Wait, then I. Oh yeah,
I'm
never
gonna sound
mind.
stupid if I do geography. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie.
When
Geography.
Geography? Which one's geography? Purple? Okay, I'll do
we'll
it.
put your dog there.
I'm gonna sound stupid.
Alright.
And you're at the bone thing.
I'm gonna sound stupid.
Don't worry.
Alright.
Trust me,
Oh, yeah, whatever. You got lucky. Okay.
Be stupid. I'm
The
telling you.
ocean east of the United States is the
I don't
Atlantis
fucking-
Ocean. Name the ocean where Hawaii is located.
I don't fucking know. Can I have a hint? I don't know geography.
There's 2 main oceans.
Pacific.
Good job!
Yeah, I get a bone. Right?
You get
I
a
get a
biscuit, dummy.
No, she gets a bone.
She gets
I'm
a
on
bone?
a bone.
Because she's on the bone
Oh,
thing.
that's stupid. I want a bone.
You don't get a
That's
fucking
Shut up! You're very caring today, aren't you?
Sarah, you get to go.
5.
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
You're screwed either way. Red. Yay!
3. I'm gonna go
Guess
this
which
way.
dog you get.
You gotta read the question before you read the answer.
What the hell? Oh, this is so stupid. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's maybe why it's stupid, because you're reading the freaking
An
answer.
obtuse angle is an angle with
Oh
a
my
measurement.
God.
No, shut up,
This
shut up,
is
shut
gonna
up.
be stupid.
No, the answer has nothing to do with it so far.
Okay.
Okay. An obtuse angle is an angle with a measurement greater than 90 degrees. Betsy and 3 friends are going fishing. Betsy finds 5 worms. Marty finds 12 worms. Kathy finds 7, and Janita finds 8. How many worms would each get if they divided them evenly?
What the fuck did the angles have to do with this?
I don't know.
I don't know, but all I need to know is you need to open your leg, because I need to rest you down.
No, I don't think so.
Wait, okay.
And you
okay.
can't use electronics.
All right.
Can you see the card, like, not the answer, but the card? So
5 plus 12 plus 7
No,
plus
don't
8.
help me with the math. Just give me the card so I can read it myself.
You're just adding and dividing. You're doing
I
mean,
know,
median, and
but-
mode.
Yeah, but I can't, like, do that, like, without staring at the numbers.
You're such a villain. Is there any more Sunkist?
Oh.
Is there? Is there?
What?
Soda? Any more soda over there?
Yeah, there's some.
Murr! Yes!
What?
What? Murr! You're stupid. You know they don't see the little voice bar when this
I
happens.
know, but still.
You just look stupid going, Murr! And then going, shh, 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 Murr! Yeah, I didn't think that one through, did you?
I thought it was pretty dumb. I mean, wait.
I'd agree with you on that one.
Oh my God.
7.
Oh my gosh! Wow! It's 8!
Why are you guys talking when I did my math, though? Because I counted 35 and divided by and divided that by 5 because
You're
there's-
dividing it by 3.
Why am I dividing it by 3? There's
Because
5
3
numbers.
friends are sharing.
There's 3 friends sharing.
Oh,
It
well, I
would-
was just trying to find the
Oh no, you're supposed to divide it by 4. There's 4 friends
Okay,
going.
well, you
Well, I
get to
divided
roll.
it by
And I get
5.
to read.
You guys made me when I'm doing math.
Okay, go.
God. Put the math thing back.
No biscuit for you.
You're a bad dog.
Oh,
Bad
man.
doggy.
Pop-Tart.
3? Oh, you want some? Here you go.
Oh, you want some? Can't have some.
Pop-Tart.
Can't have some.
Regular Pop-Tart.
Okay.
Okay. I don't
So
know.
either you can go
There are no more.
orange or you can go to
There's one
green.
somewhere around here. I
Give me
can't
the
find.
jalapeno.
You want the jalapeno? Actually, there's a pizza left in here.
I don't want the pizza. I had a few nibbles of it when you guys went to the restroom. Doesn't
Wow.
taste very good.
3. All right. I'm on. I need to go.
You want some-
1,
you can have some,
1, 2,
Joe.
3, or 1, 2, 3.
A few nipples. Okay, I'm gonna
What's
take
blue?
this.
Blue is history. Fuck
Doesn't
that.
taste very good.
Go with purple. Somebody read me a purple card.
Wait, I get two. I get two.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, she gets
Why
to. She
not?
gets to. She gets to. No, she
I
read the
read
last one. She
first.
gets to write it.
Australia is located in the southern hemisphere. In what hemisphere is the United States?
In the northern hemisphere.
That is correct. Good doggy.
Yeah, bitch.
I don't know my directions at all.
I need a biscuit. Give me a purple biscuit. Ew, how are you sucking down on a jalapeno? You're white. What? Ew, it's monster too. Ew, yeah. Bad. Bad dog. Go outside.
I saw a jalapeno for one.
What is it?
Cappuccino.
Peppercini?
Where the
Pep-
fuck
yeah.
is a purple biscuit? There's one.
Do you know your colors?
No.
Clearly not, since you called the yellow dog white.
Oh, this is a white one.
Wait, hold on. I have to put it in my backpack.
Don't ever try eating snow. You won't tell the
1,
difference
2,
between
3.
yellow and white snow.
Alright, 1. The fuck? It's purple either way. Here.
Yay! In the
Where the
Holocaust.
fuck is my bone?
In the Holocaust.
Bitches.
In the Holocaust. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
The opposite direction from northeast is southwest. The opposite direction from east is, oh my god.
From
West.
Yeah.
Oh, they must have known you were a blonde.
That was awesome, guys. I like that question.
That's bad.
Math or
You just
math?
mash shit again. We're doing this. I'm getting a bone.
Oh my god, okay. Okay. Oh, you're not gonna get this. A polygon with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Okay. The Cubs score a run in the first inning, 4 runs in the third, and 3 runs in the 8th. If the Pirates score 2 runs in the 5th and 1 in the 6th, how many will they need in the 9th to win the game?
So you're just like, fuck this. I'm done.
Now, is this math or baseball? Because I don't know either answer. Oh, I can't. Get up. Sit up.
My back hurts.
Get up.
You called her Sarah? Bitch.
Oh, my bad.
That was insulting, alright?
Lisa!
I do not look like that, bitch.
I do not look like that bitch, okay?
You really do.
No.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you Sarah and Sarah Lisa. I figured it out. All it is adding.
I know, but I need to breathe because I
I
just
need
ate
to
that,
breathe,
and then
hold
like
on.
it's all like man, my mouth.
I
is
can't
not-
breathe when you guys talk. That's not called breathing.
That's called.
Ah.
Okay.
I hear the wind. In one ear. And out her asshole. Delicioso. Taking me a minute, Sarah. What's wrong?
Because there's some numbers that I'm not even supposed to look at, but they're like showing me anyway, so it like pisses me off because I want to add those.
So basically, you're not.
Yeah, I
knowing
know.
how to do it.
Uh-huh.
How is this blonde the only one with a biscuit or a
And a
bone?
diploma.
It's sad. What's wrong with you? Get the fuck out of here.
It's drunk.
Lean like a
Leave it
cholo.
alone. Come on, man.
Are you okay?
This whole time, all I needed to do was freaking 7 minus 3, which is that's 4. Add 2. Wait, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6.
Is that your
6
answer?
to win. Better be 6 rounds, bitch. I got a bone.
Okay, which color? Red? Red. Okay.
Okay, also, by the way, there's no orange health bones. So we gotta have 2 reds. We gotta remember.
Why don't we just have 2 yellows?
Either way, we have to have 2 of one.
Alright, my turn.
Why would you get 2 of one?
Because there's no orange bone. Like, for some reason, it
I'll
didn't
have-
come in the pack.
I'll do orange. I'll be a risk taker. Fuck it!
Oh, I got to read it?
Give me my boner! What?
Okay. The left side of your brain remembers facts and dates. What is the soft, spongy mass of nerve cell within the skull? Wow.
Lacey.
What?
Hold on, I gotta show the fucking thing this shit. Okay, ready? Don't look.
This is stupid.
Cheater. It is
This has
fucking
nothing to do with what the question
Oh,
first
trust
stated.
me, it did. It did.
Okay, don't look.
Is it the brain?
Yeah.
You can't fucking see it, but it said brain.
Stupid. I was gonna say tissue, but I mean,
Brain tissue.
that's dumb.
It was
I want my damn biscuit. I want my schmisket.
Yeah.
In a holocaust, in a holocaust, in a holocaust.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, shit. I'm over here.
It's my
motherfucker.
turn. Okay,
Got
6.
2 biscuits for the win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Math or what's green?
Grammar. Ooh, this is a hard one.
Math.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Bad choice. Grammar's always easy.
Not for a blonde. A fluid ounce is a
Okay, I'm not gonna listen to this
con-
part because this never like goes with the fucking question.
hey, excuse me. Mine did.
Yeah, hers did.
Okay, go.
Fucker. A fluid ounce is a customary unit of capacity. The number of time a response occurs or something happens is called the...
What?
What time is it? It's 2:13. Fuck, people.
You're probably never going to get this,
I
honestly.
give up.
It's
Really?
frequency.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
I know! It's not... It's like, once you, like, hear it, it clicks. But,
Yeah,
like, before
okay.
that, you'll never think of it.
wow. Yeah, it never clicked.
I'm Sarah. I get to read this one.
You are really special, Sarah.
Roll, bitch. Roll out.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some blondie in it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you see this? Bone or bone?
Purple or
Bone
yellow.
or boner?
Purple or yellow.
Science or
Pooper,
geography?
Pooper or yellow. Science or geography? You're picking science? I want to read it.
Yes.
I want to read
She gets
You
to
read
read
the
it.
last one.
But
And
I read better.
an aneroid
Exactly.
barometer measures the air pressure.
Tell
The
me
air
which-
temperature at which water condenses is called the...
Okay, go back.
An aneroid barometer measures the air
Okay,
pressure.
you're not even saying this right.
The air temperature at which water condenses is called the... And it has 2 blanks.
Okay, I know it's gonna be like freaking.
You're not going to get this ever.
Wait, let me think. Can I want to, wait, no, hold on. I want to see if I can answer it. You try first. Tell me when to give up.
Okay.
No. No. I got this. Did you put the card away? Oh. I thought
Is
was-
it wait, it says
2
condenses,
blanks.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
2 blanks. I'm not going to get this either. Yeah.
2 blanks is better than 1.
Okay.
You guys give
Shut
up
up.
yet?
No, I don't want it. No, wait. You try answering it first.
Well, the temperature which water condenses is... Condenses means...
Comes together like
solid.
not necessarily.
You give up?
What the fuck else would it be?
Your fucking answer.
Condensation, condensing kind of sounds